Hey guys, how we doing? Hey, I know I came out with a Bitcoin video yesterday, but I want to come out and just talk about kind of what we're seeing today, because I know some of you guys are looking at this and we're like, oh my gosh, we had it down a little bit further than we thought and we're at the bottom of the support. So are we going to see a bounce or are we not? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Guys, honestly, this analysis is going to be good. We're going to go over this. We're going to look at this. But the video you should be watching is the one that I just did. I usually don't play like favorites with this, but guys, go watch this video. This is the last video we did like this. We did a scalping video on May 18th and you guys won both the trades we talked about. I just did another scalping video for you guys for the 24th. Guys, if you're just looking to get into the market and make some money on the best scalping trade today, go watch that video. I'm not even gonna lie. You guys have more chance of making money on this video than you do with this one. This is just gonna be an analysis of the market. So we'll go over that and you'll get the best of both worlds. But guys, the scalping strategy is just super fun, and make sure you guys watch that. I'll link it in the description if you guys want to take a look. Okay, here's the deal with Bitcoin. We're gonna kind of just dive in and just make this really simple. We're at the bottom of the support right now. What people are watching this morning is this. Are we gonna break down below the support? Are we gonna get an actual bounce here? I'll show you guys some things that I'm looking at, but let's take a look at this. We are exactly in this section here where we've seen, I'm sorry guys, let me change something real quick. We're in the bottom of the zone. So the bottom of the zone here is where you guys, sorry, I need to come out here and I'm trying to get my brush tool out here and it's kicking me out. Okay, let's try this again. Let's start over. The bottom section here is what I'm looking for now that we can have the right tools out here. And we're looking at this to see a bounce here. Now, what I was predicting in the last video is that we'd get down here, and I didn't think we were gonna hit all the way down here, but we are. This market is just gonna channel trade here. So here's the big thing that everyone's watching right now. Short traders got their way. And I was looking at the metrics from yesterday, and the whale and institutional smart money went pretty hard on a short right here, which I'll show you guys in our metrics, which I wouldn't doubt is the reason why this pushed us back down. Okay, look at trend exhaustion down here at the bottom. This shows you guys the exact structures of crypto if they're due for a move back up. Funny enough, guys, last time we got down here was this move right here at the bottom, and it called the move back up. The time before that, trend exhaustion was at the bottom here, and it's what called the move back up here. Interesting enough, guys, if you see this, this is correlated with the actual structures. When I say we literally code an indicator that looks at the structures of crypto, the actual structure, visual structures here, and if they're low or due for a move back up, that's why these things are so accurate. This right here called the top before Bitcoin moved back down. This called the top over here before it moved back down the other day, as well as this barely got into the top red section, but that is where the stall was and the move back down. If you guys are using these indicators to scalp the markets on Bitcoin, you guys are doing pretty well. Can we just talk about that for just 1 second here, and I'll get into the analysis. So if you're looking at this at the bottom sections here, you guys did not get in at the bottom. You got in right about here when the candle closed, and then you're looking at the top section up here. It's about let me get to the top where it closed. This is about 8.50. Let's take a look at this. Go to the price range, come over here to the bottom. We want to look at the first time the white line crossed down here, okay? And it's right on here on the green candle, so we have to go at the top of the green candle to keep this transparent, and trend exhaustion barely got up here to the red section. I would say it's about 4.18. Okay, barely, maybe didn't actually even touch, but if you guys waited till this one, you guys would have gotten it. Okay, but now we're seeing this again where we're at the bottom here. Could we be seeing another move back up here? Sorry, let me take that off here. Could we be seeing another move back up? And if we do, that could mean you guys could be experiencing percentages back to the top here of about 6%. So great job if you guys are using these and you're using the indicators to make some money. I showed you guys the testimonials on the scalping video, how people are doing really well with these. And that guy literally took $150 and turned it into $1,000 with the indicators. It's pretty insane. This guy did $5,000 here. Anyways, let's get back to the analysis. What we're watching for, and everyone needs to watch today, is this. We need to see a bounce from here. And I drew this zone in here so we can see if it goes down, don't freak out. Let it go into the zone, and the bottom of the zone here is going to be right about 28,000. Why? Because this is structure support over here as well from the wicks coming down. So anywhere within this zone is okay for a bounce move back up. Okay, and here's the thing. Well, money flow still has moved to move back down, clearly. But trend exhaustion here is showing us that this is most likely going to probably see a move back up here in the short term. Guys, watch these indicators. They're going to help you guys stay on the right side of the market. Also, the trend dashboard showing what retail trader indicators are looking like, they're all bearish. And this is when the whales come in and actually start purchasing. The worst case scenario, guys, I see for this week and going into the weekend is maybe a move down the structure low, but I don't see this happening this week. I think what's going to happen here is more so of a more honestly, guys, a bear trap to the downside, a bear trap trapping people looking to get into these shorts here, and then we're going to see this move back up. I think we're going to see this market turn around. Let me give you some more proof. Let's go over here. Let's go to, you guys know this by now if you watched this for a while. Here's our metrics, $95 a month. Literally, guys, cheapest membership you'll get for all this. All the whale metrics I'm about to show you for Bitcoin, the Telegram channel for all of our entries and exits for our trades, which were 122 wins and 1 loss. Still the highest win rate we can find anywhere on crypto, even on YouTube here. And we have the healthiest crypto account too. Out of $150,000, guys, we've got over here, let me show this to you guys, make sure you guys can see it's actually a real exchange here, refreshing. Out of 150, we're at $75,000. Okay, most people lost everything, guys. We are still super healthy. Honestly, this is actually really, really healthy in the account right now. Okay, let's get back over to what I was talking to you guys about. The membership, you guys will access these metrics. As far as the metrics go, let's take a look at the emotional index this morning on Bitcoin. We're seeing we're in this neutral section right here where a lot of people are like, okay, we understand we're in a channel trade here. People aren't freaking out. We're not dropping down below here. We're not dropping below here. It's a neutral section right now. It's honestly a great time to get a long trade set up, and I'll show that to you guys today. Long versus short trades, long trades are staying elevated. Guys, look how fast this headed up here within like a matter of, I would say probably a 7 to 8 day period. We are not seeing long trades come down here. So if anything, people are holding their long trades, even in the market downturn. That's why I think people are like, man, this thing's gone down long enough. If you look at the daily time frame, let me just move out here for a second. We're sitting at this really strong structure support here. And it's an indecision time. I think we have a greater chance of hitting $36,000 than $20,000 if we had to call a move on both sides. I really do believe that. Let me give you guys some more evidence here. Market cap strength. This has moved down a little bit here. So is this making me nervous? Not really, because market cap moving down just makes sense because we see the market moving down. When the market cap green line here moves down with price, it just means it's healthy, okay? Let's take a look at this. Trades in favor, neutral section, but we're closer to the good long trade area than the great short trade or good short trade area. If you guys are just using this metric out of all of them, and you wake up in the morning and you're like, I want to take a trade. Should I go long or should I go short? If you guys are just following this one metric, it will help you guys stay on the right side of the market. The amount of favor you will have on your trades following this, if you get in when this blue line moves into a good long trade or a great long trade, or it moves up into a great short trade, the favor is going to be on your side a lot greater if you guys are following this. Short trades are taken up here. You can see the market moving down. Long trades taken here. Long trades are showing the market moving back up. Sorry, let me take that off because that did not get into the bottom. I want to keep this transparent. That's when it got into the section right there. And then we're seeing this accumulating long trades on the drop back down. Okay. Well, institutional smart money. This is the metric right here that I saw this morning. I'm like, that makes sense. This was updated as of yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All of these metrics will update again today, every single day, 365 days a year at 8 a.m., which is in about 45 minutes here. So watch to see what happens here. I kind of think that on this drop, we're actually going to see, let's get back to the 4-hour time frame here. I think we're going to see the well institutional smart money actually go long. And if not long, at least decrease their shorts in here. I think we're going to see something come out like this potentially, or it may actually come out and be a print to the upside of the smart money buying the dip, because now we're back down to the structure down here. So watch that, because that will actually be a proven bullish sign if this starts moving back up. Okay, I've shown this to you guys in the past. When they start buying here on the dip, a lot of people are like, oh, we're going to keep going down, but they're just buying the low price to jack this thing back up. Okay, support resistance prices. I think the next greatest support is definitely just wick value low down here, and it's going to be placing us right about $26,000. But guys, watch the zone here. I would say we are safe if we head down below 28,000. That's where we need to be like, okay, let's reassess these markets for a potential move down to structure low. But let this flex all the way down to 28,000 and don't freak out. Okay, let it flex down here. Most likely, what we're probably going to see today is a little bit of a move back up between today and tomorrow, because channel traders are taking over right now. Okay, look at this. Dollar cost average entries. You guys are just getting into the market with, let's say you have $10,000, throw $1,000 into each green line. Watch for this morning. This may actually come out here with an entry here for a green line to dollar cost average and hold this thing as it moves back up. Okay, let me get you guys into a trade setup right now. Just basically a death cross, 50 below the 200. When this white line does move back up here, watch for this metric, guys, because this will slam into the 200-day moving average, and you will most likely see a move down. Watch it on here, okay? The trade setup, this will update here literally in, now it's about 43 minutes. This will say 524, and this will have all updated buy limits. Here's what you guys do if you guys want to take the trades with us. Again, we've won 122 trades in a row with one loss, and that was on Luna. Okay, and we have the healthiest account we can find in crypto. Okay, that is more important than the win rate. Okay, yeehaw, we have 122 wins. But how is the actual account doing? That's what you really need to pay attention to. We have the healthiest account we can find in all of crypto on YouTube and in Cryptosphere general. Literally. And we traded all the way through the ups and the downs of this, guys, all the way since back over here. Okay, we traded all through the ups and the downs all the way through this in the bear market cycle. While a lot of people lost a lot of money, we still have a healthy account. Here's how we did this. Literally, here's how we did this. We used 4 different buy limits. Now, we have this thing called the equator that if you take a look at a cryptocurrency and you look at the top and you take a look at the bottom and the middle point, we call that the equator. If you are below the equator, using 3 buy limits is what we use. If you're above, you use 4. Okay, does that make sense? The reason why we do this is if the market is so low, why not get some more money in the trades? So that's why we use 3 instead of 4. So with this strategy here, you're going to take the amount of money you want to trade with. Let's say it's 1,000 buckaroogos, okay? Take that $1,000, and because we're below the equator, on the south side of the North Pole, south of the North Pole, you guys can use 3 buy limits instead of 4. So you're going to be using these 3 right here, okay? Follow me here. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set up a sell limit in green. This is in case the market explodes, which it has done before. I was trading the graph, and I went to bed. I woke up the next morning, and it was up over 60%, the graph. We don't hold that coin anymore on this channel here, but I was like, that's never going to happen again. So we set up sell limits that are they're not 60%, they're lower than that, but they're up here to help protect you guys. Once you're in the Bitcoin trade, follow me in Telegram and I will literally call these exits for you guys. Because on Bitcoin, this is our break-even entry, so you guys can all see this. It's at 46,000. Now you're like, well, Travis, that's a long time to hold back into the profit there. I don't blame you. Let me show you guys. If you do hold, you're probably going to be taking about a 79 to 80% profit because we're going to be looking to exit right around this structure high right here on this trade. All right. Now, here's the good part about this. With the indicators that I showed you guys a pop-up with, they're 84% off for the next 7 days, and we're going to be upping the price of our indicators. You have 7 days left. It's the best sale you guys will ever get on our indicators. You cannot get our indicators cheaper than this, than the sale we have going on. Everybody entering in today, you guys just need to watch for trend exhaustion, hit the top red section again, and that's where you guys can look to take an exit, which will most likely be at the top here. That's why I started this video showing you guys the potential target of this is at structure high. So if you guys get into this market right now and you guys take profits, you're probably going to see about a 6 to maybe 7%, depending on if we get to the top of the zone here, maybe 9% profit. But here's what you guys watch. I've already proven this to you. Watch over here and watch trend exhaustion hit the top red section here. Let me show you guys how to set up an alert for this because this will basically end the video here, but watch this. Come over here, go to Bitcoin, click on trend exhaustion, this indicator right here, and click watch for drop once per bar, and then you guys can come over here and do watch for drop. Let's go watch for drop BTC, okay? And then watch for drop. I like to just do this and I can go BTC. What this is going to do for you guys is it's going to create an alert for you, and it's going to give you guys an alert the moment this white line hits the top red section right here. And then once that happens, like it did in the past over here, and it dropped here, and ended up getting very close over here, and we saw it end up dropping there, and it also ended up dropping over here, and it also dropped there, okay? Watch this next time it gets back up there, because that's a 6 to a 9% profit you guys could look to take on this trade. And if it goes down, you've got incredible risk management. Guys, this is why there's no better way to trade crypto than this. Seriously. Because if it goes down, you've got risk management, and your break-even entry is going to come down with you. Okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, your break-even entry drops down. Your second buy limit, your break-even entry drops down. And they're just looking to get into the profit and exit whenever you guys want in the profit. And you can use these tools down here to help you guys call exits. Guys, I coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com users about 3 years ago. I guarantee you guys, I know for a fact, and I literally have one of the best coders, I'm not joking about this, one of the best coders for all of TradingView on my team. His name's Tony, and that's all I'll give you guys because I don't want you guys going out and trying to contact him. He works for us, and we're working on some stuff. But literally, guys, between us two, I guarantee we've coded some of the best indicators for crypto, period. And this is how we've actually have a channel here where we've won 122 trades in a row. The accuracy of this is insane. So make sure you guys are getting these indicators in the description, and they're over here. Real quick, and I'll show you guys the membership. The indicators are on sale. They're 84% off. Okay, they're 84% off. This is the cheapest we will ever have our indicators. We did this sell on purpose. You guys are like, why in the world May? Well, May 29th is my birthday, so I thought it would just be fun to do that. But more so, it was because the market is so low, we wanted to discount our tools. You guys need the right tools to make the money in the market. But how are you going to do that if the market's going down, you don't have a lot of money? That is why we discounted everything 84%. It's so everything's cheaper for you guys so you can get the tools to make money while you're in this bear market. And like the scalping videos, you need these indicators as well. People are doing incredibly well. People are making their money back. I've had people make their money back in one trade easily based off the bundle pack that they purchased. So make sure you guys click this link here and enter coupon code SAVEMONEY. If you guys want to enter coupon code SAVEMONEY, you'll get 40% off these 3. You'll get 60% off these 6. Get the bundle pack. You guys will get all 9 of these for 84% off. Just the hands down the best deal you guys can get. One-time purchase, lifetime access. You get the source codes to the indicators as well. Best deal you guys can have for that. And then to track what wells are doing, to get into our community chat. We have a chat up here. You guys can get in here and talk to other people who are trading these markets with us. The well metrics are all here for all the coins. Telegram entries and exits that I call out. Insider info that I want to give you guys that I don't even release on YouTube, I'll put out in Telegram. Masterclasses, community chat, and then every single month we go live. I go live with you guys on a Zoom call. Guys, this membership is a metric suite to track the wells. Entries and exits for literally the highest win rate channel we can find on all YouTube for crypto with the healthiest crypto account. Seriously. Masterclasses that literally billion-dollar hedge funds have taken. Seriously. A community chat and the inner circle where we go live every single month. And I have this last one posted here for you guys where we talked about USDT, USDC, crash levels, the spot ETF, and the price predictions. And this is me right here. I went live with you guys and watch these last ones. Watch these guys. You guys will learn so much in these things, and watch the master classes as well. I know this is a long video. This is for the people who stuck around. They're like, hey, I really want to learn this. If you are brand new to trading, let me take you guys from a beginner to a pro level. I wish I could use other words because it sounds salesy, but whatever. Like, literally, guys, watch these master classes. You want to learn how to master your emotions? I guarantee if you guys watch this video right here, you will change your trading forever in crypto. I guarantee it. If you've ever told yourself there's someone on the other side of the computer trading against me, every time I go long, they're going short. Every time I go short, the market's going against me. This is why it's happening. I promise you. And I give you a diagram of an actual chart to show you why it's happening. Okay? How to spot huge market moves before they happen. How to use TradingView charting tools. If you guys are brand new to TradingView, I'll show you how to use all this stuff. How to set up alerts, trend lines, watch list, diversification, how to grow your account, and honestly, guys, my account grew and was healthier within literally 3 to 4 days after I did this. Watch that. How to exit trades in the profit and secure profits while not missing out on big bull runs. I'll show you exactly how to do that. How to scalp with the indicators. Incredible masterclass there. And then last but not least, guys, the indicators, how to maximize profits with the indicators. And then I did how to rebalance your account to secure profits. So anyways, guys, I know it's a long video. I totally get it. Most people watch TikTok videos now and they're only like 1 minute long. But I hope you guys just enjoy the in-depthness that I try to give you guys on this YouTube channel, where these tools are seriously going to help you guys make money in this market. Look at the testimonials of what people are doing over here. And this is in the bear market. These testimonials are coming through. All these up here came through in this bear market right there. Okay? It's not like they're over there. We keep things transparent over here. So guys, God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing day. I love you guys so much. Get the membership. It's in the description to access everything you need. And make sure you guys, if nothing else, snag the indicators before we up the price of this in 7 days so you guys can take advantage of that. All right. I'll see you guys later. Have a blast. Don't forget to watch the Scalping Masterclass video over here on the front page. And then make sure you guys watch the YouTube video that I came out with that literally calls the best trade setups for today, which is going to be right over here coming out. And I will literally publish this right now on the Telegram channel and on YouTube so you guys can have this. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.